today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can install WordPress on your web stormer host account. So I'll be showing you guys how you can install WordPress. I'll also show you the plugins that we are going to use so that we can be able to increase our success in our online business. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and go and watch the first video. I'm creating this video in tutorials so that I can help Ghanaians and Africans start their own online business. This channel is just dedicated to affiliate marketing and digital marketing. Make sure to click on the second link down below, download the PDF and go and take the course, the free course. Okay, you can also click on the first link to join the Telegram group. So if you have any problems, just comment down below or text me on WhatsApp and I'll be able to help you. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can install WordPress on your stormer host. Yesterday's video we did how you can buy domain and hosting. So in today we are just going to continue on how you can install WordPress. So once you now have your domain and hosting, the domains will be here and the hosting will be here. So what you just need to do is just scroll down. If you don't have a stormer host account, click on the third link. You come to a page like this. Then what you need to do is just sign up for an account. So after you have just signed up for an account, just go and watch the first video. If this is your first time watching the second video, okay, so try and watch the first video. So once you click on the login bar and you are able to log into your dashboard, your stormer host should look like this. Then what you need to do is that you just click on log into Cpanel. Okay, you click on this button, the gray button. As you can see, my mouse is moving around here. So you click on log into Cpanel. When you click on log into Cpanel, you come to a page like this. The dashboard will look like this. Okay, so what you just need to do is that you just scroll down. You scroll down and look for WordPress. So these things are called softwares. Softwares are basically what you are going to be building your website under. We have Sitepad, Map, Web Builder. This one is they are all apps that you can use to customize your website, themes and layout. But what I know more is WordPress. So I like using WordPress. Even 70% of the websites in the world are all using WordPress. The rest, Wix or Beehive. So it's just some small amount of the websites that are using HTML and C++. So we are going to install WordPress. For us to install WordPress, as I was saying, when you click on this button, you come to this page. Okay, so when you come to this page, scroll down to softwares. When you are now at the softwares, you click on here, login. You click on WordPress managed by, then you just install the WordPress. Okay, the thing is this way: if it is your first time, you have just created the account and you are following through these step-by-step tutorials, I'll advise you just follow my instructions. And if you don't understand, you can rewatch the video or just join the Telegram facing and I'll guide you. So what you need to do is that when you log into your Cpanel and you scroll down to softwares, you click on WordPress and you just click here to install. For me, I have already installed WordPress on my website. So what I'll just do is I'll click on login. So once you click on login, you come to a page like this. Okay, it usually takes 10 minutes to 5 minutes to install. But if you install WordPress, I'll advise you give it about 2 to 3 hours before you do anything on your website, because by that time your Cpanel, your hosting company, they will be trying.
So now that we have installed WordPress on our website, what we need to do is that I will be telling you guys the things that you need to configure it so that it will make your website stand out and look good. You have to make sure you set these things up before you even start publishing, or before you even start customizing your website themes and all this stuff. It's very important you go. So what you need to do is just come down to settings, then you click on general settings. Remember, when we're buying the domain, I asked you guys what will be the site title, what will be the main aim of your website. So what you need to do is that your site title should be what your website is about. This is your domain name, my admin email. This, we also have the subscriber. Just use the same settings as my page as you are seeing it. For the date format, use the first one. We are in Ghana. Even if you are in Nigeria or South Africa, just use the first format. The time is here. You guys just select the right time. The week start on Monday. Then you click on save. Okay. So when you finish doing that, you come to permalinks. Okay. For permalinks here, you click on the permalinks, the dashboard to the left. The permalinks usually explains the site that the person is on. So for the permalinks, you come and select the post name. It's very important you select post name, because if we go to Stormhost, you can see here at the top, you see client area. So that's the name of the page. So if we are creating a blog, we should want the page to be sample post. So if I was writing an article about how to install WordPress on Stormhost, what you need to do is that if I write the article, then the post name will be how to install WordPress. You see, that will be the post name. It's very important you always select the second but last one, the post name. Okay. So once you finish doing that, after this, then everything is set. You just click on save. You can click save here for the document to be saved. So once you save it, the next thing that we want to install is plugins. So you go to the left, install plugins. I'm going to be mentioning the plugins that I installed on my website, and the reason why I'm saying you guys should also install the same plugins. So the first one you should install is Astra widgets. Don't worry, I'll be showing you how you can install all these plugins. So just take a book and pen and write down these plugins. After this video, you just go and add them. Okay, so the first one is Astra widgets. For Astra widgets, it helps you integrate different blog layout or mobile phone features into your website. We also have auto featured image. So the auto featured image is basically, it generates images for your blog. Let's say you were blogging about something but you forgot to add a featured image. Okay, so if you forget to add a featured image, as you can see, when I click on the page here, you can see this image here is showing the dashboard. That's a featured image. If I click on Stormhost here, you see what I've loaded. That's a featured image. So this particular thing will get the featured image for you. We also have bulk update. For bulk updates, you can be updating all your articles every single week, one by one. So this particular plugin helped me update all of them at once. So I just select category, then I click on update, and it will change the date and run through all of them. Okay, we also have companion auto update. It's also a nice plugin. We have easy update manager. It's also a nice plugin. Elementor. These are the most important things you should just install first. We have Elementor. and header and footer code manager. For Elementor, it will help you build your website. So my website is built on Elementor. We also have header and footer code manager. It's very important when you are thinking of joining advertisement, or you are thinking of adding banners, C++ or HTML code inside your website header or footer. Let me just explain what a footer is. So if you go to StormHost, the footer is the top here where the StormHost logo is. The home, domains, hosting, site builder, VPS, email, security website. This is the header. The footer is down here where they are saying affordable and reliable solution, only 5 cedis per month. You see this thing, that's the footer. Okay, so this particular plugin will help you edit the footer and header, so you should install it. My website is about hostels. That's the reason why I added this particular plugin. But if your website is not about hotels, just forget it. We have Jetpack, real simple SSL. Install it. That's the one here. Okay, the padlock here, it makes sure that people data are safe on your website. They will also have the secure content, secure copy content lock. This particular one helps people, like it doesn't allow them to copy my content. So if you visit my website and you want to copy content from it, this particular plugins will not allow you. Then this one too, Sitekit by Google, is very important you install it. It will help you add your website to Google search, so that if someone go to Google and search for it, you will be able to appear. And also when you are doing Google AdSense, like you want to join the Google AdSense and start earning money, definitely then you need to add it. We also have social media and share icons. This one helps me like add social media buttons, Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp, so that if someone is reading my article and they like one of them, they can just click on one of the social media buttons and share it. Very simple. So they don't need to copy the link and go and share it. They can just click on one of them and share. We have site template. For the site template, this is just easy. You don't need to go and hire someone to create a WordPress website for you. Once you install Elementor, then you go and install this plugin called site template. They will give you over 600 templates that you can choose from. For WooCommerce, is for those who are selling amenities and all those accommodations. That's the reason why I'm having WooCommerce. Google widgets is also important, so just write them down and go and install all of them. It's very important. The last but the most important one that I see you guys should install it first is Use SEO. It helps you rank your website on the first page of Google. It can also help you increase your website traffic, so it's very important you add Use SEO. So to install new plugins, what you just need to do is that once you are on the plugin page, you just click on this button here, add new plugin. So once you click on add new plugin, then you type in all the plugins that I said you should install. So let's say if we were to install this particular one called Real Simple SSL, so really simple, okay, that is SSL. So this is it. So once you just search for it this way, then you click on install. Once it is installed, then you click on activate and it will be activated. This is how it should be looking like. A normal plugin should be looking like this once you install it. And always try to update it. That's why I said you should install all the plugins. Some of the plugins that I install, they update my plugins automatically, and some of the plugins that I install also update my blog and web pages. So it's very important you install all the plugins that I just shared with you. And if you have any problems, you can comment down below or join the Telegram group. So this is what we have just did today. Today we have learned how to install WordPress, and we have also learned how to add plugins, how to edit permalinks, and all those stuff. Okay, so the next thing that we want to do is that in tomorrow's video I will show you how to install theme, customize your website. I'll also show you how to start a blog. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that tomorrow you'll be the first person to receive another wonderful video from me. As I was saying, I'm going to be creating these videos into series so that it will help you guys also start an online business, whether you are from Ghana, Nigeria, South Africa, or any of the African countries. I'm here to guide you guys to also start generating money online. Thank you for watching and see